Oke. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guys,
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
hello guys. How are you today?
Hello.
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
I'm good.
I'm fine.
Okay. First, I will introduce myself. My name is Mr. Dan Alsondi. You can call me Mr. Dan. And next is Miss Nadia. You can call she is Miss Nadia. Okay. Today we will learn about a biological material. Wait, I will share screen before. Okay. Do you see this guy?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Wait. I will slideshow. Okay. See this?
Yes.
Okay. Bacteria. Bacteria is uh, a microorganism in a taxonomy is called a monera. First material will be explained by Miss Nadia. To Miss Nadia, I please.
Okay, hello guys.
Hello,
Hello,
Miss.
Miss.
Hello,
Hello,
Miss.
Hello,
Miss.
Miss.
How are you? I'm
I'm
fine.
fine,
I'm
Miss.
fine.
Okay, today we will learn about bacteria. Okay, please turn the slide, Mr. Dan. Okay, we'll see the introduction of bacteria. Bacteria are tiny microbes that tend to grow very quickly and form few colonies. One teaspoon of soil can be home to as many as 1 billion bacterial cells. Your body can have as many as 1 quadrillion or 100 trillion bacterial cells. It's hard to keep track of all those microbes, so we will look at some ways to manage the numbers. Okay, next. What is bacteria? Before we see what is bacteria, anybody want to explain what is bacteria? If you want to explain, please raise your hand. Okay, the first one is Glinda. Glinda, please explain your answer about bacteria.
Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Gwinda. Okay, bacteria are a group of single-celled microorganisms classified at the domain level. Just that.
That's good, Indah. And then next, Intan, please explain your answer.
Thank you, Miss. Okay, introduce myself in Tantara Sakti. Now, bacteria are organisms that have a single cell, do not have a cell nuclear membrane, and have a microscopic size, meaning that microscope is needed to be able to see them.
Okay, both of you have a really good answer. And next, we will see what is bacteria. Okay, next. Okay, bacteria are small single-celled organisms. Bacteria are found almost everywhere on Earth and are vital to the planet's ecosystems. Some species can live under extreme conditions of temperature and pressure. The human body is full of bacteria, and in fact is estimated to contain more bacterial cells than human cells. Most bacteria in the body are harmless, and some are even helpful. A relatively small number of species cause disease. Next, bacteria are microorganisms that come in various shapes. They can be spheres, or it looks like a ball. They can be rods, or they can be spirals. Do you understand all? Okay, that's very good. Next, next material will be explaining by Mr. Dean. To Mr. Dean, I please you.
Okay. Thank you for your explanation, Miss Nadia. Next, I will be explain to you all guys about follow the growth of bacteria on a line graph. Graph. Okay. Bacteria multiplying or reproduce by splitting in half. One called cell grow and divide into two cell divide and become four cell divide and become eight. Eight divide and become 16 and the next divide and uh, to the next two. Every time the bacteria divide, the total population double. So that's 2 multiple 2, not 2 plus 2. This is a line graph that show one lonely bacteria cell can multiply and become a colony of thousand within a day. We will see the graph. Okay, can you see a graph of bacteria, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First, for we are to see of the graph of bacteria, we will explain our meaning of essential of the graph. First is title. The title tell what the graph is about. Uh, in the bacterial graph is called about bacterial grow at 72 degree Fahrenheit or in a room temperature. And then axis label tell what the axis is measuring with unit. Woo, the axis is have two. First is x-axis. X-axis is the horizontal axis. The horizontal tell what is changing. The meaning of tell what is changing is time or hours. Time in hours, like 1 hour, 2 hour, and next time. And then y-axis, the vertical axis, tell what we are observing. We are observing about a number of cells in start from 0 to uh, to until 5,000. Scale the number along its axis, which always follow a pattern.
Okay, it seems like there.
Yes, the number of and next. And then match large number with their name. Okay. When you are talking about large number, it's easy to lose track of the place value. Be careful when you are counting the zero. Drag and drop the name of the number to its numerical representation. Example, uh, a number with one digit of number 1 and uh, 9 digit of zero number is called about 1 billion, and one digit of number 1 and 6 digit of number 0 is called 1 million, and one digit of number 1 and 12 digit of number 0 is called 1 trillion. One digit of number 1 and 15 digit of number 0 is called 1 quadrillion. That the example of uh, a heart of number we can found in a real life. Okay, next. Look at how exponent works. Exponent work is a scientific method we use to us to us to use that. When numbers get very large, as in bacteria grow, they get hard to handle. Instead of counting zero all day, scientists use a handy method called scientific notation to make long numbers easier to work with. Example, 10 to the power of 4 is equals to 10 multiple 10 multiple 10 multiple 10. It's called it 10 to the power of 4 is called to 1 million. Uh, in 10 to the power of 4, the 10 is the base. The base tell us what number we will be multiplying. In 10 to the power of 4, 4 is the exponent or power that tell how many 10 to multiply. So if 10 to the power of 5, it can 4 is the exponent of power that then multiply 10, multiply 10, multiply 10, multiply 10, multiply 10. So equals to 5 multiplying. Okay. That's all of my representation. And next session will be a comment by Miss Nadia. To Miss Nadia, I please to.
Okay, guys, that's all about our material today about bacteria. Okay, we will open the discussion, and who want to ask some question that they don't understand, they can raise their hand so we can discuss it together. So, you can raise your hand from now. We will open the discussion. Maybe Indra want to ask some question, or Atipa. Oh, okay, Indra. Please explain your question.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Nadia answer Dean. Okay. I have one question. Are viruses and bacteria the same? Terima kasih. Thank you.
Okay, that's Indra's questions. The question is, are virus and bacteria different? So, who want to answer this question? Please answer. Okay, Apipa raised her hand, so he want to answer Indra's question about the difference of virus and bacteria. Please answer.
Yes, Miss. Okay, my name is Asita Nayani and I will answer question from Indra. In terms of size, virus and bacteria are both include microorganisms, both of them cause harm to the body, but there are still differences between virus and bacteria. The difference between virus and bacteria is that are protected by a cell wall, while virus are the form of a capsid. Bacteria have DNA and RNA nucleic acid, while virus only have DNA and RNA. Well, my be miss, there's a difference between virus and bacteria. Thank you,
Okay,
Miss.
good, Apipa. So, Indra's question is answered by Apipa. Is it all of you agree with Apipa answer? Okay, it seems like you all agree with Apipa's answer. So then we will next to the second question. Who want to ask? Please raise your hand. Yunensi raised her hand, so Yunensi want to ask some questions. Please explain your answer.
Hello, my name is Yunengsi. So I want to ask about the bacteria. My question is, are the bacteria that provide benefit to humans?
Okay, that's Yunensi question is about benefit of bacteria. Who want to answer? Please raise your hand. Eka raised her hand, so Eka want to answer Yunensi's question.
Okay, Miss. Hello, friends. My name is Eka Dwi Anggraini. I will answer question from Yuningsi. So, not all bacteria are bad, some of which are need by humans and in harmony in the body. Even bacteria that are beneficial humans can also cause disease, such as Lactobacillus pseudomonas, used to treat bacterial infection in the vagina. Maybe that's all, Miss. Thank you.
Thank you, Eka, for your answer. So, anybody else want to ask questions? Please raise your hand. Okay, it seems like nobody want to ask anymore. So I return to Mr. Dean to guide our presentation today.
Okay, thank you for your explanation or your section, Miss Nadia. And then before I closing this meeting or this study, I will conclude about material of bacteria. Bacteria is organism who have a variant like a rod, like a spiral, like the others. And then bacteria and then bacteria and virus is different because bacteria have one cell and then virus only have a nucleus or an RNA or DNA. And last, bacteria have two side, two human, like positive side and negative side. A positive side is disgust our body, and then negative side is disease for our body too. Okay, thank you for your attention, guys. Before we closing this meeting, I hope you all guys to pray to our God for this meeting. Pray start. Finish. Uh, and which I say salam. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I close this meeting.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi
Thank you,
wabarakatuh.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Miss.
Welcome.